Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance hauls, thrift store flips, and rescue puppies, then you're in the right place. So today I have a fun video for you guys. I wanted to let you know that Hobby Lobby, their spring shop, has gone to 90% off this week. Yes, you heard me right, 90% off. So if you haven't been to Hobby Lobby this week, you might want to go by and see if you can score yourself some deals. I found some pretty awesome stuff that I wanted to share with you guys and let you know what the prices are with the 90% off, because there are some killer deals to find. I want to thank you for joining me today. I want to say that the winner to my 400 subscriber giveaway will be announced next week in my upcoming craft video. So you're going to want to keep an eye out for that so you can see if you won my 400 subscriber giveaway. And speaking of subscribers, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button. Join my family. I'd love to have you, because when I get to 500, which I'm only like 77 away from, I'm going to be doing a humongous, huge, huh, Dougal? Dougal says it's huge. Huh, he says it's a big giveaway of brand name makeup and surprises when I get to 500, because then I get my community tab. So please, like I said, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends and family, and let's go ahead and dive into all this awesomeness that I got at Hobby Lobby this week. So let me see if I can get Dougal. You say hi? Dougal, say hi. Hi everybody, my name's Dougal. He's one of my rescue dogs. He's not a puppy though, he's a couple years old, but he likes to run around like he's a puppy. So I guess he's going to be helping me show you guys what I found today. So the first item that I found, and I'm going to do this in descending order from least expensive to most expensive item that I purchased. So I found these really cool, they're napkin rings, I think. So I thought I could do something with them because they're just like the metal. They were $2.99, so at 90% off, they were 30 cents. 30 cents. So I bought 4 of them because I figured I could do something crafty with these. I was thinking maybe even some really pretty holiday napkin rings, because I don't have any napkin rings for the holidays. Maybe doing something here, blinging it out, putting some stuff on there. Bless you, Dougal. For the holidays, we'll see. So keep your eyes out for that. The next item I purchased was this super cute taco oven mitt. It was $3.99. I got it for essentially 40 cents. So this is a little gift for one of my subscribers that has been helping me out. She'll probably know who it's for because it's a taco, hint, hint. And then I also got this cute cube. It says, "Dear Mom, great job. I'm awesome." But I actually got it because I thought I could craft with it. It was $5.99, so after the 90% off, 60 cents. So I'm gonna like paint it here and then probably do something different on that. I found this sign. It says, "For everything there is a season." But I got it because I thought it would be a really cool shadow box. I can like put paper here or paint it and then put something in here for a shadow box. It was $6.99. So after the 90% off, it was 70 cents. And then I found this item, which the person that this is for, I'm sure will figure this out. It says, "Taco Tuesday. Tacos will never break your heart. All you need is love and tacos." And it's a magnet set. It was $7.99. So with the percentage off, it would make it 80 cents. So that is a really good deal. Sorry, I'm trying to get like my lighting good. I don't know why my lighting's all weird. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so next up is another one of these signs. This one was $9.99. It says buffet, French for get it yourself. I love that. Get it yourself. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to like get my lighting better. I don't know why it's all... You know why it's weird today? Because it's cloudy out and we've been having some storms, a little bit of rain, which we desperately need, and I know a bunch of you guys out there need rain, so I apologize if the lighting is a little off today. But this was $9.99, so it was on sale for 99 cents. And then I found this, which was also $9.99. It says Oopsy Daisy. But I got it because it's got this like kind of nice frame. And it's like wood here. So I figured I could just paint over this or put something on top of it and make a really nice sign. So this too was 99 cents. And then let's see what else we got. So this one, actually I'm going to leave it as it is. It says sweet as can be. And it's Winnie the Pooh. Can you guys see that? Like, look at how cute that is. It was $11.99, so it was $1.19. Alright, next up are these cute, I got two of these. It says Gather. So this one actually wasn't 90% off. It was $4.99, but they actually tagged it for $1.24. So I just now realized that, guys. So should have been like 49 cents, but that's okay. I thought it was still a good deal. So I got two of them because it has the beads. And it's blank on the back, too. So I thought I could do something with this and make it like a sign, something cute to hang up. So I bought two of those. And then I also picked up this. It says, good clothes, good mood, good day. But I bought it for, you guessed it, the frame. So I like the black frame. And what I want to do with it actually is, if you guys have gotten the calendars from the Dollar Tree, if you cut out like the big calendar page, it would probably fit inside of here because it's not quite like 12 by 12. And this is probably like maybe 11 by 11. So I was thinking of cutting out like one of the Christmas calendar pages and putting it on the inside with this black frame. I think would be really pretty for Christmas time and the holidays. So I got this. It was $14.99, but I got it for $1.49. This is actually, what's up? I think this one's next. Nope, not yet. So this one's up next. So this was it's going to be a gift that I'm going to send to someone. It's this really cool, pretty purple macrame. It was $17.99, so it was $1.79. And I'm going to send this actually as friend mail to a YouTuber that I follow, Twisted Gypsy. I think she's super fun. And I think she would love to have something like this hanging up in her room. I think this is right up her alley. So this will be coming to her. Next up is home is where we park it. Which I think is hilarious. It is as you can see, it is a pretty good size sign. Once again, I bought it for the frame, and then I figure I could paint over it or put paper on it or something. This was $19.99, so it was $1.99 after the sale. And then I found this, which is so cute. Isn't that adorable, guys? Like, it says welcome, and it's got the bee. How freaking cute is that? So this was $19.99, and so after the sale, it was $1.99. So I got this for a friend of mine that likes bees. I'm going to give it to her. I thought she would enjoy it. She could hang it up outside because it is metal. And then $19.99 as well. This was really pretty. It's a table runner, and it's like a pretty good size too. Like, look at how big that is. And it's pretty pink with the ruffles. So this one was $19.99. So after the sale, it was $1.99. I mean, $1.99. That's such a good deal. All right, so I also found, look at this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's actually food safe. Like, you can use it to scoop up stuff. I just thought it would be really cute to maybe like put something inside or hang it up and like put something on the inside here because it is flat on the back. So I thought I could put something here, maybe put some ribbon up and hang it up for crafting. This was $24.99. So after the sale, it was $2.49, guys. And it's wood, which I think is pretty awesome. This I got because, oh my gosh, you guys, you got to see this. This frame is gorgeous. Try to like get it in there so you can see. It's like getting dark. It's getting light. I really am sorry. So I don't know if you could tell, but look at this frame. Look at the woodwork. It's like beaded. And it is huge. Like, look at how big that is. So this was $2.79, and again, I bought it to craft with because, like I said, the frame is just gorgeous. Look at that detail. Like, You can see it's so pretty. So, and this is wood on the background, so the same thing, I'm going to paint it, do something pretty with it. This was also, I think, these last few items are my favorite deals that I got. So comment down below, let me know what you think my favorite or my best score was out of this haul. I would love to know. Let me know, are you going to the Dollar Tree? Oi, got the Dollar Tree on the brain. Are you going to Hobby Lobby? Are you going to go out? Is there one near you? I hope you can. If you do, let me know if you score. I would love to hear that. All right, so this, check this out, guys. Like, look, like you can't even, I can't even get it in the frame. Like, look at how big this is. Like, look, guys, look at how big this is. So, you guessed it, I bought it for the frame because I thought this would be super cool to do like a really big sign. Because look at how big that is. And it's kind of like that particle board, so it'd be easy to paint on or glue paper on. So, I'm definitely going to be doing something with this. It was $49.99. I got it for $4.99. Yes, $4.99. And if anybody wants to know, it says, if I were to leave it, it says, a house is made of walls and beams. A home is built with love and dreams. Which, that is super cute. But like I said, I'm going to use it for crafting because it's a good deal. They do like this about once a year. They do the spring shop for 90% off, which I buy all this stuff to craft with because it's cheaper than buying it at the Dollar Tree to craft with. I mean, I get stuff for like, look, 60 cents, actually 59 cents for like, you know, stuff like this and, you know, like 70 cents. Like, it's just a good deal. So if you're a crafter, I highly recommend going to Hobby Lobby to check out the spring shop clearance to use some items to craft with. And then my score, my favorite find that I got were these. Check these out. There are not one, not two, but 3 cutting boards, wooden cutting boards. And look at how thick they are in a stand. Guess how much I paid for these? Guess. I'm waiting. You're not going to believe it. So this originally would have been $79.99. Which, who's going to pay $80 for 3 wooden cutting boards? Like, out of their mind. I got it for $7.99. Like, how cool is that? So, of course, I'm going to be crafting with it. So, I will take these out so you can see the different sizes that they have. I can get this last one out. So, we have a big one. We have a medium one, and we have a little one. How cute are these, guys? Like, look, they're so awesome. And like, how fun would it be to like cut out stuff and glue it on here and add some ribbon or a bow, and then you can hang it up. So like, this would also be good for the Dollar Tree calendars, the big calendar pages. And then there's this little one and this one. And I was thinking this one, which I was looking at, would be so cute as a pumpkin. I don't know, like I have pumpkins on the brain. It's like, it's pumpkin season. So I think this would be so cute. So like, yeah, I could paint it orange if I wanted to, or dry brush it, or maybe even leave it as it is. And then put some like, of that beaded berry garland that I used in my last craft project, and some burlap and maybe some leaves up here, and then make this a pumpkin. What do you guys think? Do you think this would be a cute pumpkin, or am I just crazy? Like, I just think it'd be cute. So anyway, guys, that is my Hobby Lobby 90% off clearance haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. I want to thank you for joining me. Hit that like button. I really appreciate it. It's free and it helps the girl out. I just want to let everybody know, so I showed some pictures from the girls' birthday party on Saturday. My rescue puppies that I rescued from our animal shelter are 1 year old. So Louise, my tricolor one, did have her bad eye removed a few months ago. And Tina, the little brown one who you saw in the pictures that had 2 eyes, now only has 1. I took her to the vet on Monday because it was all cloudy and it was oozing, and they check her pressure. The normal pressure for an eye in a dog, like the high threshold, is 20. Hers was 48. So they actually bumped a space surgery on Tuesday morning to fit Tina in. So Tina went in on Tuesday morning and she had her bad eye removed. So poor girl's in the cone of shame. She's had a really rough go of it. Louise had a great time, not a great time, but Louise did a good job. Tina, it's been really hard on her. So I'll post pictures when she heals so you could see both of my little one-eyed puppies. I think I'm going to put eye patches on them and tutus and make them pirate princesses for Halloween. I think that would be fun. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. Sorry, I had my remote. I was trying to be prepared so I can like turn you guys on and off, but bear with me, guys. We're hunting for the... There it is. I'm never ready. I swear, I try to be, and then it's a hot mess. Oh, wait. As my friend says, I'm not a hot mess. I'm a spicy disaster. Let me know. Anybody else? Are there any other spicy disasters out there? Anyway, thanks for joining me. Until next time, goodbye.